I'm Valencia and Niece, and welcome to Valencia and Niece. And in today's video, wait, we have a special guest. We have Kensley! Yay! Kensley is going to be helping me in today's video, you guys. Today we're going to be making a Nutella Christmas, a cinnamon Nutella Christmas tree. If you're interested in today's snack time idea,
thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.
Absolutely. Thank you, sweetie. Alright, so these are all the things that you're going to need. Nutella, the dough sheets, and also powdered sugar and whatever you want to use as decorations. And also you need a butter knife and a pizza cutter as well for the dough. All right, here you just see me opening the dough and I'm about to roll it out. You also see Kensley getting prepared for her job, which is to spread the Nutella. So this is a really cool activity, guys, like for family. So yeah, especially for the kids. She really enjoyed it and I did too. I think this is a great way to create memories and to bond. So yeah, like I said, I'm rolling out the dough here. And yeah. I'm rolling out the dough. Yep. And my Christmas tree is it's not perfect, but that doesn't matter to me, but yeah. And the best thing about these sheets is you can just flatten it out or, roll it a little more and reshape it. That's the best part about it being dough. See how I cut it wrong? It's okay. I eventually fixed that, but it still ends up being a little crooked. And that's perfectly fine. It wasn't a big deal to me and Kensley. But if it's like for a public party, yeah, then I would have probably been a little bit more worried. But, it was just something for me and Kensley to do together. Of course, this is content, but also I like to make memories. So that matters more to me. So, yeah. And my husband is all in my edges. He's the cameraman. Ooh, Lord. Anyway, be your own folks, but it's all right. It's all right. We're going to get this Christmas tree going.
Okay guys, here's me putting Nutella on. And the video was so awesome. So, I love Nutella. It's so good. I saw some at Target. It had those little sticks. I don't know what they're called. But it had Nutella. And they have a jar of Nutella. So Mommy let me put the Nutella on. So yeah. So here is me putting the Nutella on. And yeah. So there was a lot of Nutella on. So we had to put some up. And Mommy's putting the dough on, making some little balls. I don't know what she's doing, but this is going to be a fun one. I hope you made it too. Follow our videos. Make sure you subscribe, get a like and some bell, and make sure you subscribe for more videos.
All right, so now Kensley is done putting her Nutella on. I'm just going to put the very badly cut triangle that I made from my other pastry. So you're gonna need 2 of these to complete this. Cut it and adjust it because no, it's not giving Christmas tree right now. It's really deformed right now. So yeah, so I'm just cutting the top and then I'm gonna cut Kensley put powdered sugar on me, so yeah, that's what that is. And yeah, I'm just going to cut it a little bit and then cut down the sides to give it more of a tree look and twist it as well. All right, guys, and now you just pop it in the oven at 350. Okay, so now it's out of the oven and it's time to let it cool and then decorate. So here we're decorating with powdered sugar. Now this is me and Kensley's rendition of it, but you can be really orderly or as messy as you'd like. This was just us having fun in the kitchen. So yeah, we're just sprinkling powdered sugar everywhere. But yeah, so just have fun with it, guys. It's not about perfection. It's really about building memories. As I get older, that is what I prioritize above anything, because tomorrow isn't promised. So just enjoy it, especially during the holidays. Enjoy it. Enjoy your family. Enjoy the time that you have, because you just never know.
So
All right, guys. This
we
is
have the Christmas.
this is the final.
The peppermints are dropping.
Yeah, the peppermint is dropping, but we still have to do a final little taste test, which you can see Kensley has been taste testing really behind the scenes.
I love sugar.
Let's try it.
I want to try a piece.
Yeah.
I want to try the top.
Okay, I took a piece from the bottom.
Okay. I want this piece.
Okay, she took my piece. Alright, so. Okay, that's good. Do you like it?
It's a little bag.
It's a little bread.
Yeah.
It's made of
But
bread.
it has chocolate in it.
Mm-hmm.
So I like it. So yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning into our video. And don't forget to
subscribe and like and hit the bell and subscribe for more videos.
They can't understand you. But subscribe, hit the like button, share it, and we'll see you in the next one.
And hit the bell.
All right. Hit the bell. See y'all. Bye. One, two, three. Hey guys.
You have to say it.
Okay. Okay.
Can't do it.
Okay. Alright. Kensley's being really silly. We've been joking around before we started recording, so yeah. We have fun on this channel. But I will link it down below for those who have kids who are preschool, toddler age.
No, kindergarten. Like me, I'm a kindergartner.
Yes, like
I'm only 6 years old now.
yeah. Anyways, so yes, if you have a child around that age, my daughter is being so silly. But let's get into this video, you guys. But like she said, like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, and also follow me on TikTok.
If you call my mom a copycat, we should put a download on your video.
Yeah, I don't know where Kensley gets that, but hey, she's addressing some type of hater child. But anyway, let's get into this video. Why?